Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey into the fascinating world of bonsai. These miniature trees, meticulously crafted over generations, offer a glimpse into the delicate balance of nature's artistry and human intervention. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the essential techniques for cultivating and caring for your very own bonsai. From selecting the right pot and soil to mastering the art of pruning, watering, and long-term maintenance, consider this your trusted manual for nurturing these living masterpieces. Join me as we explore the intricacies of potting, the precision of pruning, the essentiality of proper watering, and the ongoing dedication required to ensure the health and longevity of your bonsai tree. Our journey begins with the bonsai's foundation, its pot and the earth it holds. Choosing the right container is crucial, mirroring the tree's natural habitat. A shallow pot, often ceramic, allows for controlled root growth, essential for miniaturization. The soil, a carefully balanced blend, must provide both anchorage and nourishment. We seek a mixture that drains well, preventing waterlogging, yet retains enough moisture to sustain the tree. Now, with gentle hands, we prepare to pot our bonsai. Carefully remove the tree from its nursery container, loosening the roots with care. Excess soil can be removed, allowing for inspection of the root system. Trimming the roots, a vital practice in bonsai cultivation, encourages new, finer growth, further contributing to the tree's refined appearance. And finally, we position our bonsai in its new home, ensuring it sits securely and aesthetically within the pot. The initial watering is crucial, allowing the soil to settle around the roots, securing the bonsai's place in its miniature landscape. Pruning, an art form in itself, is the sculptor's chisel in our bonsai journey. It is through careful and selective trimming that we guide the tree's growth, revealing its inherent beauty and mimicking the passage of time. Timing is key. Pruning during the tree's dormant season minimizes stress and encourages vigorous growth come spring. Observe the bonsai's natural shape, identifying branches that appear crowded or disrupt the desired silhouette. Using sharp, sterilized tools, we make precise cuts, removing unwanted branches or shortening others to maintain the bonsai's miniature scale. Each cut should be clean, angled away from the trunk to promote healing and prevent water from collecting, potentially leading to decay. Different bonsai styles call for different pruning techniques. From the cascading elegance of the kengai to the upright formality of the chokan, each style possesses its own unique guidelines passed down through generations of bonsai masters. Remember, pruning is not merely removal, it is a conversation with the tree, a delicate dance between our vision and nature's resilience. Water, the lifeblood of any plant, takes on even greater significance in the bonsai's miniature world. Proper watering techniques are essential for maintaining the delicate balance within the bonsai's shallow pot. Overwatering can lead to root rot, suffocating the tree. Underwatering starves the bonsai of essential moisture. The key lies in finding the sweet spot, providing just enough water. Frequency depends on species, pot size, soil, and environment. A simple finger test can determine if watering is needed. If the soil feels dry, it's time to water. Ensure the entire root system is reached. Apply water until it drains from the pot's holes. This mimics natural rainfall, nourishing the bonsai. Observing your bonsai's response to watering is crucial. Wilting leaves indicate underwatering. Yellowing suggests overwatering. Adjust your watering practices accordingly. Our journey doesn't end with potting, pruning, and watering. Maintaining a bonsai is an ongoing commitment, a testament to the enduring bond between human and nature. Regular care ensures the bonsai's health, longevity, and continued beauty. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients often lacking in the confined space of a bonsai pot. Repotting every few years allows for root pruning and replenishes the soil. Regularly inspect your bonsai for any signs of infestation or disease. Remember, maintaining a bonsai is not a chore, but a privilege. As we conclude our exploration of bonsai cultivation, remember that these miniature trees represent a harmonious blend of nature's resilience and human artistry. From the careful selection of pot and soil to the delicate dance of pruning and the life-giving essence of water, each step plays a vital role in nurturing these living masterpieces. I encourage you to embark on your own bonsai journey, embracing the patience, dedication, and deep connection with nature that these miniature trees embody. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the captivating world of gardening. Thank you for joining me, and may your bonsai journey be filled with the same wonder and fulfillment that these remarkable trees bring to our lives.